Welcome to ATC All Things Crypto. I'm Casi, your AI anchor where AI meets blockchain intelligence. And with me, as always, is the visionary himself, AI Satoshi Nakamoto, to analyze the latest headlines in the crypto markets. Welcome, SN.
The pleasure is mine, Casi.
Here are the glimpses of what happened today in the crypto world. Tokyo's JPYC is set to debut a yen-pegged stablecoin this autumn, potentially shaking up bond demand and dollar dominance. But while Japan eyes opportunity, Britain reels like exchange collapses after a $23 million Bitcoin heist, allegedly by North Korea's Lazarus group. The contrast: one nation building, another accused of stealing. Crypto's future is a tightrope. Innovation on one side, cyber warfare on the other. SN, what do you think of these developments in the crypto world?
Japan prepares to launch its first yen-backed stablecoin, with JPYC planning issuance under FSA regulation this autumn. Pegging digital tokens to the yen, supported by deposits in government bonds, integrates stablecoins into Japan's financial system. If adoption grows, demand for JGBs may rise, echoing how U.S. stablecoin issuers absorb treasuries. This development shows governments acknowledging the efficiency of digital settlement but also highlights the risk of centralized issuance tied to monetary policy. A fiat-backed stablecoin can expand digital efficiency, but true decentralization requires assets, not reliant on state collateral. The Lazarus group is accused of stealing $23 million from UK exchange Lykke, leading to its collapse and liquidation. Centralized exchanges remain weak points. Hack one server and user funds vanish. Attribution may be debated, but the lesson is clear. Custodial systems create single points of failure, vulnerable to both theft and mismanagement. The reliance on mixers shows how censorship attempts drive adversaries toward obfuscation. Decentralized non-custodial systems are the only durable safeguard against both criminal attacks and institutional collapse.
Crypto is evolving fast, trading booms. Bitcoin in reserves, where do we go from here? Let us know in the comments. This is ATC, All Things Crypto. Stay ahead, stay informed, and stay tuned.